So just one final thing. Like I said, I skipped page 2 of the handout because I wanted to go straight from the lesson on argument to looking at examples of arguments. I didn't want to add all of this information, and then you have to keep all of that in mind with the argument lesson information. But now that we've looked at the examples, I'm not going to go through this in great detail, but it would be helpful for you to take just a couple of notes. So this is just a sample page of what you're going to get in component 1C. This is not your actual topic. So this is not what you're going to actually respond to. This is just an example of what component 1C will consist of and what you'll be using in conjunction with the argument lessons for your submission in component 1D. So you're going to get a step where you read through a prompt with me or through a case study with me or a scenario with me, and then you're going to have a step where you read through your options. So you can see that you'll get a topic, and if you were to pause and read this video, you will see that this prompt or this case study or scenario is about the debate about reopening schools. So I set up the topic for you that you're going to respond to in a paragraph. Then I give you options. Are you ready to take a definite position? Well, you might want to write in your notes here, right, that there are examples of taking a definite position and following all of the instructions in the primer. And that would be on pages 1 and 3. 1 and 3, okay? But I also give you the option if you are not yet ready or able to take a definite position. So in that case, I want you to look at examples on pages, examples, okay? So for this one, page 4, and for this one, page 5, okay? So these are sample responses for foundational writing assignment. So the FWA means foundational writing assignment. Notice that it says, so you get the case study, and then here it says, copy the following sentence. Depending on your position, districts should or should not reopen elementary schools for on-campus learning. Yes, you copy the first sentence. Remember, I said you're going to copy the first sentence, and then it says now offer at least 3 additional sentences in direct support of the claim you copy. Your sentences should give me reasons to believe what you say in your first sentence. So pages 1 and 3, and actually I think pages 1, 3, and 4, 1, 3, and 4 have examples of what it looks like then to follow these directions if you have a definite position with respect to this prompt. So you can actually, you might want to look at all this and then go back and look at the examples. And then this right here says you still copy the statement, you still copy a statement, even if you cannot take a definite position. It is not rational for me to take a definitive stance. And then I tell you to just use one of the options. If you cannot make up your mind because you can see opposing sides, or if you cannot make up your mind because you need more information. And then again, I've given you sample responses to choosing this option based on what's in here and of course your own thinking. So with that said, I am going to stop the videos here. The video set for the foundational writing assignment will be what you encounter next.